Hello YouTube viewers. This video is on changing the grease on the gears of a Kenmore 19412 sewing machine from the late 70s. This machine had very little grease, and it appears it's the original grease. Of all the Kenmore sewing machines I have encountered from this era, this grease looks like beeswax. And there's hardly any of it here. And as you can see, nothing was covering the gears. It was all on the plate. Now, to remove the plate, as I already have it removed, there are 3 small screws that should be securely placed so as to not lose them. These are the 3 screws. The original grease, or the old grease, should be removed from the chamber. There doesn't appear to be much grease in here, so it's easy to remove this grease with a screwdriver. Once the grease is removed, and it would be good to turn the machine a couple times to make sure there's nothing else, as there's a little bit right here. Take it out. Put in the new grease. I will be using Tri-Flow synthetic grease, as I've done my own research on the internet, and it appears that this is a suitable product to grease the gears of Kenmore sewing machines from this era. I have cleaned off the screwdriver, and I'm going to use it to pack the chamber with fresh grease so that the gear is covered. Also going to turn the gear and add additional grease to cover this part of the gear. And once you have it in there, you can put the cover back on. That is sufficiently greased. Be sure to carefully clean the gasket and remove the old grease from the grease cover before you reinstall it. Here is the gear plate reinstalled. There is one other location on the Kenmore that should be greased, and that is where the built-in stitch gears are located, right here. There's 2 areas. I'm going to put a little grease right in the area here where they meet up, and turn the machine so that the grease can disperse around. Remember, when installing the bottom of the sewing machine cover, the long screw goes right here, and the remaining 4 screws go here, 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 and here.